So, uh, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Heroic. So now, as there's some ways you can make money online, in which I want to share you. As a US citizen, you can make money online with your shop receipts. How do you do this? How do you make this happen? So let me show you how you make this happen. And if you are not in the US as well, you can make this happen as well. You can as well make some dollars with your receipts as well, courtesy of using this app. So if you are not in the US, then you should be able to have a US number and as well VPN. So I'm not a US person, but I'll be able to make use of VPN to sign into this website, to this app. So I'm using the app. So now I'll be turning on my VPN, which is Peer VPN. So I have a paid version of PVN, VPN. I mean, sorry. So now I'll be turning on my VPN. So now after turning on my VPN, so I must get ready my phone number, which is I have a Google Voice number available. So here's my Google Voice number available. So you can see I've signed up with the app before. So I think here is the app name. Yeah, this is a code from the app after I signed up with the app. So now we'll be going back to the app. Now you have to download the app. How do you download the app? If you're using an Android phone and you want to download this app you can download this app on Play Store if you are from other country, not from the United States. So if you are from another country, you can just make use of Chrome. So once you go to Chrome, you type the name of the app, which is sorry, give me a moment, let me check. Yeah, this is the fetch reward app. So the fetch reward app. So now I'll be making use of the fetch reward app. So now let's search the name. Now this is fetch. So now fetch reward app. So I'll be downloading an APK from my browser, which is for Android. Can you see? So it will ask me to download the app. So once I download the app, you'll be able to find it on your Android phone if you are not from the US. And if you are from the US, you go straight to your Play Store and download the app. Once you go to your Play Store, so here is your Play Store. So from the Play Store, once you search fetch reward app. So here's the fetch reward app. So I have the app already on my phone, so I can update the app. So it brought me to let me just update the app already, since I'm on VPN. So I have to update the app. Yeah. So we have 10 million downloads already. As you can see, 10 million downloads is there already. So yeah. So once we are done with the app update, so it's installing already. So once we are done with the app updates, okay, so we'll be opening the app. So I have signed up already on the app, so I'll be logging in. So if you have done already, you have to sign up with the app. So courtesy of your phone, your US phone number. So if from the US, you are free to sign up on the app. So now I'll be doing some work on this now. So now I want to make use of a receipt right now. So let me make use of a receipt. I think I make a purchase on Fiverr, so I'll be making use of Fiverr receipt. So I'll be making use of Fiverr receipt. So this is the app. I have 30,825 coin. So once it is up to 10,000 coin, I can redeem the coin into dollars. Are you getting me? So now here's the rewards section. So here's the rewards section. So yeah, my rewards. Sorry. So this is my profile. So now once you want to get coin with this, let me go back to my profile. And you can, once you refer a friend as well, you get more coin for referring a friend. So here's my referral code. You get the 2000 naira coin, 2000 coin for a refer. Are you getting me? So you get a, so once you refer, you find those people, total number of people you refer here. So this is the money I earned here, the coin I earned here is as a result of the receipt I snapped. So I'm going to snap a receipt for us here now. So I'll be snapping a receipt for us here now. So now here is the receipt I'll be snapping. So make sure once you are snapping the receipt, the name of the brand you are snapping is on the receipt. As well, the total number of amounts, total number of money on the receipt should be there. It should be written as total, and after that the amount of the price should be there, and as well the date of the receipt of when the receipt is being generated. So now I'll be showing you how to do that now. So once you click the camera, the snap icon here, so you have to snap the receipt. So now I've switched to snapping the receipt already. So now this is the receipt I want to snap. So now once I snap this receipt, this all this store total and date should be marked as green. So once I snap it, so then I'm snapping now. So you hold on now, it's found this the name of the brand, so it remains the total. It must get the total amount and as well the dates. So you keep snapping until it finds the total and the dates. Make sure the date is showing. I think the date is not showing, that's why it's not saying the date. So I have to bend this. So I have to scroll up, so I have to drop down this so you can show me the dates. So I'm snapping again. So I will keep on snapping till it gets what I'm looking for. I'm still snapping. So now it's found the date. Now we are left with total. So it must get us the total. So yeah. So we are still on the total. We are still on the total. Yeah, we're still on it. So once you see this thing is not working, so go get another receipt again. So once you get another receipt, so you have to snap again because you are unable to see the total number of on that. So we are unable to use that. So you have to get another receipt. So let's check if we see another receipt. So hold on, I'm coming. So I'm trying to get a new receipt for us so that you can see the process of how this is being done. So let's try this out again. Let's try this out. Let's try this out again. So yeah. So let's go again. Let's go again with this. Okay, let's move closer and snap again. Still it got nothing, so yeah, we're moving closer again. This as well is not working as well, so let's go on. So let's go on with, yeah, let's use paper receipts. Let's use paper receipts. So I'll be heading to where I can get a paper receipt. So I have to snap. So I'm heading to, so now a moment while I get paper receipts. Okay, yeah, I got what I think I'm still checking. Let's see. Let's see if we'll get one. So a moment please. Okay, let's try this Fiverr receipt out. Let's try this Fiverr receipt out. So I'm snapping. So yeah, we got the store, the total. So we are left with the date. So now let's check the date out. So we are left with the date. Yeah, we still have to snap again. It's got the date, so 3 is completed, then you have to submit. So now after submitting, I was able to get 25 coin added to my receipt. So this is how you keep on snapping the receipt. So once you are up to 10,000 receipts, then you go to your reward section where you can use your points. So what do you want to use your points for? What do you want to is it Starbucks gift card you want to get? Is it Amazon gift card? Is it CVS pharmacy gift card? Is it docking? So courtesy of the gift card you want to get. If it is an Amazon gift card you want to get, once you click on Amazon gift cards, can you see we are just 6,000 coin away from getting the $10 gift card. So once you're able to reach 10,000 coin, then you'll be able to get $10 gift card. So to register on this app, I will be sharing you my invitation code, so you can as well try this out and make some dollars. So thank you. See you on the next video.